Hey guys, what up? Total Control 871, and we are here at the scene of a very bad accident here at Egg Harbor Township. Multiple cars involved, heavy body collision. Multiple units responding. It should be noted that this portion of Route 40, on the other side where the collision appeared to have occurred, it is indeed completely without shoulder and is 100% traffic lane from one end to the other. So yes, this would be an example of the type of drivers that Officer Devlin in his courtroom testimony would believe will simply flow around. Simply flow around. I don't know, Officer Devlin. I don't have your years of experience. Okay? Something tells me here though that these cars did not flow around. These are the types of drivers that they want you to put your fate into, that, you know, your life in their hands. Trust us. Don't worry. You'll be okay. I think we got an additional vehicle over here. Let's see if we can get it in frame. We got a Camry. Another vehicle. It appears to be involved in some way. I see there is some body damage there. Although I don't know if it was there already, but yes, these are the drivers that they want you to just trust. We got one being taken. Was there drugs and alcohol involved? Or was it just simply the chime of a text? A social media update. Oh my God, I have to check my phone. Is that at fault here? So yeah, guys, once again, I'm supposed to trust this. This is what's going to just flow around me. They can't even manage to flow around themselves. Okay? They can't even manage to flow around another motorist. But I'm supposed to trust them with my life, that they're going to just flow around me. Now, what we're looking at here, although we do have somebody that went to the hospital, I don't know how many, but we just saw a guy get loaded into the back of an ambulance. Not a doctor, I can't speak to the scope of his injuries, but it didn't look terribly life-threatening. The reason why I'm saying this is the kind of damage here, okay? This kind of body damage, all right? Let's take a look at our Toyota Camry rear light. See, what's nothing more than just simply body damage and a few airbags deployed for a motor vehicle, okay? For these vehicles with their crumpled fiberglass bodies and their deployed airbags, but when that kind of force impacts with a cyclist such as myself, a whole lot more happens than just some superficial body damage or a couple of airbags deployed. Bones are crushed, limbs annihilated, quite possibly severed, head injuries incurred that could quite possibly render you a vegetable for the rest of your life. But remember, I'm supposed to be trusting this. This is what's going to just flow around me. There is no way in the world I will put my life into the hands of these maniacal drivers. It ain't happening. Police have the luxury of their redundant law. New Jersey, move over. Cyclists are expected to just simply take our chances. Best of luck to you, buddy. Best of luck to you. Enough of us have died already. So many of us cyclist deaths are preventable. We have a right to the road. It is equal to, not partial to, but equal to these very vehicles being hoisted and towed away. I'm not going to let somebody bully me out of my rights. Cyclist lives matter. Lane control saves lives. Total Control 871.